Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up.
Hello. So I never know how to start these things, like stuff like this off. It's super weird. But anyways, today I am going into the thrift store. I have not been into the thrift store. It feels like about 2 months now. So I'm missing it. So I'm gonna go in there today. I'm really looking for, so my main purpose is I'm looking for a dresser that's gonna go upstairs in the living room to turn into like a TV console type thing, because what we have now is just way too small and it's annoying me, and we need something larger. So I'm gonna see if they have something in here today. I'm also gonna be looking at like other little home decor things that they might have. So hopefully they have some good stuff since I haven't been in here in a while. And if you can see back here, I do have a Dollar Tree back here. So I'm also gonna I'm gonna pip my head in there. I'm gonna peek my head in there and see if they have like some stuff that I might want, which I'm pretty sure they will because it's $1. So anyways, that's what I'm about to do. So let's see if we can find the goods.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better stop.
Okay, so I just left that thrift store and oh my god, my face is breaking out. My face. So I just left that thrift store. I found some good things. You guys know I always never find like a lot of items. Well, yeah, I don't find that many items, but they're like always like good things that I find. So I'm always like satisfied when I leave out of the thrift store. So I left that one. They didn't have a dresser though, one that I was looking for. I'm probably gonna have to like look on Facebook Marketplace or something, but I'm gonna go to this other thrift store to see if maybe they have one, and you know, if they do, they do. If they don't, they don't. If they don't, then I'm just gonna look on Facebook Marketplace or something like that to see if somebody has something. The only thing about that is it's annoying when you have to like pick it up from people and stuff like that, and pick out the dates and the time. And if you live here in Georgia, you know the traffic is wild, especially because we live like inside the perimeter, and inside the perimeter is good, but if you're getting furniture from someone that's outside of the perimeter, it's like no, like you'll be in traffic. But I don't know, because it's a little different because of like everything that's going on, but most people are like getting back to their normal kind of routine, so I'm pretty sure that it's going to be the same way with traffic. So I mean,
take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
All right, so my mom had called me. Hold on. My mom called me, and so it completely, like, this thing cut off. But anyways, because I'm filming on my phone because I forgot to bring my camera. But I'm now waiting for them to load the little dresser that I picked up. Super cute. It was only, what, $16, I think. And it fits. Hold on, I'm gonna close the trunk. Thank you.
I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
Okay, so I got that piece. I got that piece and it was only like $16, I think. Real wood, everything. Nice. Don't know why I was there. Like, I don't know. But anyways, that's not even what I was looking for. That wasn't. But it's okay because I wasn't leaving it there. And now it's in the back of my car. And I'm excited. I already know what I want to do with it. Like, it's already, like, I'm chopping it up in my mind. Yes. Okay, so I went to 2 thrift stores, went to the Dollar Tree, and I'm done. I'm done. I'm not going anywhere else. I don't need to. And I just want to speak on real fast, anybody who wants to get into, like, furniture refinishing and all that stuff, that you don't have to pay a lot of money for the furniture that you get. Honestly, I'm not gonna go in my garage yet. I have gotten pieces, like the most that I've spent on a piece, I want to say that it was like $100. Well, no, not $100. I haven't spent $100. Like, max, I think it was like around $60. You do not have to spend that much money for a beautiful piece. You guys know that from the pieces that I have picked up, and they're gorgeous, and I didn't cost me an arm and leg to get it. Like, you just have to be there at the right moment. You know, the only way I would really pay like $100 or something for a piece if like I'm having it in my home, or I know that I'm gonna have to rack that price up, you know, when I'm selling it. And again, that's not all, you know, it's a lot of stuff that goes into like pricing your pieces and stuff like that. You have to think about the products that you're using. You have to think about your labor, like, you know, the condition of the piece, if it's in bad shape, if it's in good shape, all that stuff just plays into it. But as your base, I never, like, just getting the furniture in general, I've never paid $100. Like, literally, my most, it has to be $60. I've never paid that much for a piece, and I want to keep it that way. But that is just one thing that I just want to talk to you guys real quick about. If you're interested in maybe, you know, doing this as a side hustle or something like that, you don't have to pay that much for your piece. I know some people that do pay a lot for their piece or whatever, and even these pieces can be like antique pieces or vintage pieces or something like that. But honestly, you can still find those types of pieces for less than $100. Trust me, people give them away all the time. I see them for free all the time, but they're always like so far away from me. But you know, you just have to keep your eye out for those things. So anyways, I just want to share that. But now I'm gonna go and share the stuff that I got. Again, it's not a lot of stuff. It's only a little bit of stuff, but you guys know I always get a little bit of stuff, but it's always like the bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna share it right now. Okay, so obviously it's not the same day. It is a totally different day. My air conditioner is going, y'all. I'm having like a hot moment. I'm very hot, so I'm not gonna be turning my air conditioner off. I'm so sorry. It's like pregnancy hot. I don't know what it is. I don't know, hot flash, whatever. I'm having one and I'm really, really hot, so I'm not gonna turn that off. But I'm going to share with you what I got from both the thrift store and just a little bit of items that I got from the Dollar Tree. So first, hold on, let me turn this. I have Riley over here on the monitor. She's not taking a nap, but she is like doing a little quiet time, so I have to do this as quickly as possible. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to share are these 3 wooden pieces here. I got all 3. At first I was gonna get just one, but then I was like, nah, might as well just get all 3. They were only like $1.99, and I already know what I'm gonna do with these. So that is gonna be a DIY coming up here in, yeah, probably like next week or something like that. But I already have my plans. already got sketched out, so be on the lookout. Okay, so the next item that I got, when I found this, I grabbed it so quickly because I was like, oh my gosh, like, am I the only one that's seeing this right now? Like, what? So it is this washboard. What? I've never, maybe like at a, like if you go to like an antique store or something like that, you would see a washboard, but I've never seen this. Like, this was at Goodwill, so I was like, what? So I definitely picked this up, and it was only $2.99. $2.99. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there you go, $2.99. And it was at Goodwill. Like, what? I don't know. But anyways, so I got this. I had to get it. And I'm super excited that I spotted it and I grabbed it. Let me tell you, when you are at the thrift store, you need to make sure, I've said it before in my videos, that you are looking through everything. People put stuff on top of things. People try to hide things. So just make sure that you are searching when you go into the thrift store to find your items. All right, and then the next thing I got was this mirror. I love mirrors. I'm obsessed with mirrors. I've said this before. If I could have a wall of mirrors, not if I could have, because I'm eventually going to have a wall of mirrors. I think I'm just going to totally do that because I love mirrors. So I found this mirror. I don't know what I'm talking about. This always happens to me. So I found this mirror and I thought it was really pretty. I love the trim on the mirror, and this mirror was only $1.99. So like I had to grab it. It was $1.99. So I got that mirror. Love it. So I had to go and grab these real fast. But normally I do not get pillows or anything like that from the thrift store. I don't know. I just never have. I just like brush past that section. But this time something told me to go over there. So I did. And I found these really nice pillows. I've already washed them and everything because I am like terrified of bed bugs or anything like that. So as soon as I got these, I was like, excuse me, sir, can you bag these in a different bag, please? And then I tied them up and I put them in my car. And then as soon as I got in the house, I took these right into the laundry room and I washed them on the hottest setting ever. So I got these pillows and they are 18 by 18, I think. Pretty sure they are. Yes, they are. And they are Pottery Barn. They are Pottery Barn pillows. And I don't know how much Pottery Barn pillows are, but I'm pretty sure they cost something, because we all know Pottery Barn is on the, you know, expensive side. But I saw these and I was like, I'm definitely grabbing these. So I got two of them. One is like, okay, so one is cotton filled, which when I first picked these up, I thought they were the same, which they are the same. They're the same size and everything, but the feel is different. So this one is like the cotton feel or whatever, and then this one is like has feathers. So let's see. Yeah, so it has like white feathers. It says, yeah, white feathers, white down. So this pillow though is really nice. It's so nice. So nice because it has those feathers in it. Although I hate feathers in pillows, but this one's different because you know how you sometimes get those pillows that have feathers in them and then the feathers come out? Yeah. So anyways, I'm going to be getting pillow covers to go on these pillows, but I saw them, they were $3.99, and I'm like, $3.99 for 18 by 18 pillows? So I had to snatch those, put them in my no buggy, y'all. I was in there with no buggy holding all of this stuff trying to film, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So that's why some of the footage is a little shaky. But I had to grab these pillows, $3.99, and I know that's a steal because I know these pillows at Pottery Barn, they cost more than $3.99. Then the last thing I got from the thrift store, of course, was that beautiful dresser, that little small dresser. And I've already kind of showed you guys that, but I will insert like a little clip here of this piece. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to start working on this. All real wood. I mean, there is some, like the drawer was kind of messed up or whatever, but I can definitely fix that. And I'm super excited about that find. All right, so now I'm gonna move along to the things that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm not gonna be talking too much about this because I'm pretty sure you guys have watched some Dollar Tree hauls and all that stuff, and I don't have the amazing stores that some of these lovely ladies that share things have amazing, like, oh my gosh, you got that at the Dollar Tree? Like, my Dollar Tree sucks. So I'm just gonna show you the stuff that I got for like crafts and stuff that I'll be doing in the future. So one of the little things is this wood palette. So I got one of these. It had tons of them there. I was actually pretty shocked that they did have that little crafting corner, because for the longest time that Dollar Tree didn't have it, and then they finally have it, and as you saw in the clip, it's really, really junky and all that, but at least they have that craft little section. So I got this little wooden palette. And then I got this nautical rope. So first of all, this nautical rope, I love it. I'm so glad Dollar Tree has gotten these ropes. I have stocked up on these. Literally, I'm just showing you one, but I got a whole bunch of these because I just love them. They're really pretty and they look very high end when you use them in your crafts. The next thing are these two little just plaques, these dog, well, it's for like dog, whatever, but the little plaques. So I love to use these plaques for crafts, so I will be using these for a craft or DIY, whatever you want to say, project here on my channel. The next thing that I got was this little glue and residue eraser. So I was pretty curious on if this actually does work. So if you have purchased this and you've used it and it works, let me know. I haven't used it yet. Of course I haven't used it yet, but I haven't used it yet, and I'm just curious if it actually works or not. So another thing that I got is the little finger protectors for like when you use like your hot glue. I don't actually know where it is, but I did get that one as well, the little pink ones, and I think it comes like, you get like 3 of them in a pack. So I got that to use those when I'm using my glue gun. And then I also picked up this transfer, well, it's not transfer tape. I really hope this is what you guys were talking about when I asked you like 5 videos ago. I don't remember when that was, when I did my spring mantle, another tape to use, because the one that I had was extremely like just maximum strength, and you guys said to use the tape from Dollar Tree. So I'm hoping that you were talking about this. I mean, it's transparent and I'm pretty sure I can stick the vinyl on here and peel it off and peel it on something else, but I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if I got the right thing. I only got one because I wanted to check first to make sure that this is the right product that you guys were talking about. But I did pick this up, and I'm pretty sure this is the right thing, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, so that is it. I am all done. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got inspired. Maybe you want to go to the thrift store now and find some items. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm done. That's it. We're done with this video. It's over. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know which item that I got from the thrift store that you liked, or the thing about the tape, or the glue, residue eraser, whatever. Let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest videos. And I've already said this, but I'll say it again. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Taking time out